Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So dollar recovers while recession fears grip Wall Street. Dollar rebounds on US labor market strength and hawkish Powell. After yesterday's NFP, we got to see good recovery on the chart of dollar. For the last few days, dollar index or DXY was under heavy pressure, because of which we got crazy breakout on Euro USD and GBP USD. But after NFP yesterday, okay, we saw that okay, DXY was showing good recovery, as a result of which pressure built up on Euro USD and GBP USD. DXY closed around 102.90. This is the last traded price here. So the market opening is going to be important. After the market opening, if DXY comes down, we can expect next support to be around 102.50 to 102.40. This is the next support on the chart of DXY. Usually we don't see much volume craziness right after the market opening on Monday. So if market behaves like a normal Monday market, we can expect market to take support around this area. And if market goes up, then 103.50 will be the next resistance. But right now we can see that the selling pressure on DXY is gone and DXY is finally heading for a recovery. Okay, I am not saying that DXY will be crazy or show crazy upside, crazy bull run. Okay, but at least we can see that both fundamentally and technically DXY is bullish. And is the next resistance. If DXY is bullish, it means that Euro USD and GBP USD will be under pressure. Especially GBP USD, okay, we saw heavy selling pressure. Now let's talk about Euro dollar. So after making a high of 1150, okay, market fell sharply and market closed around 1.094. Market closed at 1.0964. This is the last traded price of Euro USD. So if you have any ongoing sell position right now, you can hold your sell position, because upside on DXY will bring further bearishness on Euro USD. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then I think it will be better for us to look for sell position only, considering the present market scenario. If Euro USD goes up on Monday, our first selling opportunity will be around 1.1000 to 1.1006. This is the first level where we can look for a sell position as a day trader because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Plus you can see the 50 moving average is also present here. 1.1000 is also a round number psychological resistance. If market behaves like a normal Monday market, this level is going to act as a resistance. If you see market struggling around this area, we can hit the sell button. How much you should be expecting? You can hold your sell position open TP with your stop loss around 35 pips. Okay, and if market breaks the level, then the second selling opportunity will be around 1.1060. 1.1060 to 1.1065 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level plus previous resistance around this area. So this is another good selling opportunity for Euro USD. So if dollar continues the upside, okay, we can look for sell opportunities on the chart of Euro dollar. And again repeating, if you have any sell, if market stays like this, you can continue with your sell position as well. And if market drops, my dear friends, we can also look for a buy around 1.0860 to 1.0850. Okay, this is another zone on the chart of Euro USD where you can look for a buy position as a day trader. Okay, why are we looking for a buy position? Let me remove the FIBO here. Okay, we are looking for buy position because the previous resistance will be working as support, the 200 moving average coming up, 1.0850 round number psychological support. So if market drops, as a day trader, we can expect a good bounce around 1.0850. So these are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. And now let's talk about GBP USD. So unlike Euro USD, GBP USD has shown a clean downside. Okay. So just like Euro USD, if GBP USD also shows upside, observe the market for it, because sometimes GBP USD acts crazy. If you see the market is going up but the recovery or pullback is not very strong, We can look for a sell around 1.2937. Okay, we can look for a sell of 1.2937 to 1.2950. This is the first level where you can look for a sell position on the chart of GBP USD. Again, we have used FIBO here because of FIBO 0.236 plus we can see that 200 moving average is also coming down. So if we combine both the factors, in case of a weak upside, this level can be a good selling opportunity for all of us. The second selling opportunity on the chart of GBP USD is around 1.29 882 to 1.3000. This is the second selling opportunity on the chart of gold because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level plus a round number psychological resistance. Though we have a 100 moving average here, but I think it will slide. Anyways, these are the two trading opportunities on the chart of GBP USD. But keep in mind, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. So do not trade blindly. If you see the market is showing price ejection from above, then only hit the sell button. Do not trade blindly. Trading doesn't work like that. Okay, and GBPUSD has taken support at a very crucial level. Okay, you can see it is a very crucial support. If market breaks this area, okay, things will be dangerous. Okay, things will be critical for GBPUSD. So if GBPUSD breaks 1.2850 area, we can look for a sell below it as well. But after the market opening, okay, let the market consolidate first. After consolidation, if a breakdown comes, it will be much more powerful. I will also sell. Okay, so let's hope for a good selling opportunity below 1.2850 if market slips below it. But if market shows upside, and if the upside is not very strong, because after this crazy amount of selling pressure, okay, it should be a weak one. If it's a weak upside, then we can look for a sell around these two areas, because right now the market sentiment is not very positive because of US President Donald Trump's tariff. So the thing is, respecting the ongoing market situation, we are looking for sell positions only because we can clearly see that sellers are dominating. We are just looking for higher probability. If you really want to make money in this market, try to be on the sell side only. If things change by next week, then obviously as a trader we need to be flexible. We need to switch sides again. But as of now, market is favoring the sellers, so let's look for sell opportunities only. Let's wait for the market to open. Okay, and before taking any position, keep your one eye on DXY. Okay, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure on DXY, okay, you need to be flexible again. And my dear friends, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response for my last workshop. Yes, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again for the last time. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. Hindi classes कल से शुरू हो चुके हैं. So English classes are starting from 11th of April. So it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money, who have learned everything but still in loss. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates here. Hindi classes already started, English starting from 11. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can see I have stretched this for over a period of 1 month so that we can learn and execute at the same time. Because if we learn everything at once, obviously we will be able to finish it off in a very short period of time, but we won't be able to execute properly, isn't it? And these are the topics that we will be learning during the first 3 days. No fancy topics. You can see here nothing about okay institution level trading, SMC, Elliott waves. No, we will be just looking at the market as it is. Okay, and you will also be getting free risk management guide, discipline guide, dots as calculator, and many other things. And you will also be a part of our WhatsApp community so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. Let me show you. So this is how our WhatsApp group looks like. You will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand where to go for the trades. Okay, where are the key levels? What is the market sentiment? So that you can understand and execute the trades at the same time. Because to become a trader, you need to understand the market sentiment as well as the technical aspects of the market very nicely. So this is how our community looks like. This is a group that I have formed for this April workshop. Many of people also joined the WhatsApp community because they like the free regular market analysis. Okay. And these are the topics for the weekly sessions. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. So if you miss the session, also nothing to worry. I record each and every session because many people join from various parts of the world, but due to time difference, they cannot attend. So I record each and everything. Okay. And the best part is the fees. You can see for 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. But trading takes time. Okay, trading takes time. It's a journey. If you're looking for guidance, mentorship, personal sessions, you can sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime support as well. In semi-annual support, you'll be receiving 2 personal sessions with me, and in lifetime support, you'll be receiving 6 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions. And these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group.